Okay, so here's a really interesting lie. It's almost like a little bird's nest. The way it sits down, everything, all the grass is right round it, and it's sitting deep. Now, this is a tricky little lie, but one of the things that I think is important with this lie is that to understand how it comes out. I think a lot of people think, oh, I'm in the rough, it's going to jump a little bit on me and it's going to run. Not from this lie. This lie is actually going to come out super dead. We don't have to do a ton, even for this short pin. The only thing I'm going to do for setup is obviously I'm going to take a little wider base. I'm going to keep my weight probably about 60%, 70% of my lead leg. My sternum for sure has to be past the ball. That's going to be key for these rough shots. Now from here, I'm going to lean forward. Now I'm going to need a little bit more club head speed because it's going to come out dead. But you see, it comes out kind of nice, just stops. But that's all about interpreting the lie. The lie is the most important thing that we need to figure out. So that was that little nest shot. Sitting right down, a lot of grass all the way around it. It's going to come out really soft, but I'm going to need to hit it a little harder. Leaning forward. See the way it comes out so soft? That's generally what you'll see with a lot of these shots when people play them. They just don't judge how much club head speed is required there. So, me included. So, this one's awful. Lean forward. There we go. Nice little shot there. That was a terrible lie, but the keys there was understanding the way the ball will react because of the lie and then hitting it a lot harder.